Hello! Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, red color, orange color, black color, dark green color, purple color, pink color, violet color, light green color, yellow color, dark blue color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets, small letters. Red color. A for avocado. Dark blue color. B for book. Orange color. C for cake. Dark green color. D for doll. Purple color. E for egg. Violet color. F for fish. Yellow color. G for grapes. Sky blue color. H for hen. Black color. I for ice cream. Light green color. J for juice. Pink color. K for kite. Red color. L for lion. Sky blue color. M for moon. Orange color. N for nuts. Black color. O for orange. Violet color. P for parrot. Dark green color. Q for queen. Orange color. R for rainbow. Dark blue color. S for sun. Pink color. T for tiger. Violet color. U for uniform. Dark green color. V for violin. Purple color. W for water. Orange color. X for X-ray. Light green color. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Red color, sky blue color, brown color, dark blue color, yellow color, violet color, orange color. Let's try to draw some 2D shapes. Trapezoid. Triangle. Right triangle.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Circle.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't
Hexagon.
you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Sun. Trapezoid. Triangle. Right triangle. Circle. Hexagon. Sun. Dark blue color. Trapezoid. Triangle. Orange color. Right triangle. Red color. Circle. Dark green color. Hexagon. Yellow color. Orange color. Sun. Trapezoid, triangle, right triangle, circle, hexagon, sun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.